KASPA is in a really interesting position as of this moment, and in this video I'm going to be telling you what the most likely possible move for KASPA is. Make sure guys watch this entire video because we are going to be analyzing KASPA, and that is going to be really helpful for all of you watching this video. Anyways, without further ado, let's jump on with the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious profits while trading crypto, sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, as you can see, just yesterday we had closed the trade with a profit of about 460%. This is what we do time and again in my trade signal group, and if you guys want to achieve similar results for yourself, you guys need to sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Anyways, now with that being said, let's jump back to KASPA and let me tell you what is happening with the project as of this very moment. So guys, first of all, for all of those who are new to my channel, I just want to explain that I believe as of this moment, KASPA is in this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. So if we take this bottom as the starting of the first wave, you can say that KASPA pumped impulsively in this wave number 1, where we got returns of over 900%. However guys, ever since we formed this high right over here, we saw a massive decline in the price per KASPA, where we dumped by almost 73%. Now once we dropped by 73%, we completed this wave 2 towards the downside right over here. Ever since then, we have been in an uptrend towards the upside, and that is going to be really helpful. If we calculate from this bottom towards this top of wave 3, you can see KASPA has already pumped about 351% once again. Now, I personally believe that this move towards the upside has been completed as of right now, and I have a really good reason behind that. So guys, within this third wave towards the upside, we should have seen 5 waves towards the upside. So if we take the starting of the second ending of the second wave as the starting of the first wave, so you can say wave 1 got completed over here. We came down in wave number 2, came up in wave number 3, came down in wave number 4, and then finally completed this wave 5 towards the upside. This is the most likely scenario KASPA is running into as of this very moment, and I believe right now KASPA has shifted from the third wave towards the fourth wave. Now guys, I have a strong possibility that KASPA has already completed its fourth wave towards the downside. So let me just explain you why I think that. So if we take this top as a starting of the A wave, you can say in A wave we went towards the downside, we came towards the upside in this B wave, and right now we are dropping in the C wave towards the downside. Now if we zoom in on the charts, you will be able to see something really interesting. Now guys, in my last videos I had mentioned to you all that KASPA should not go below this gray line right over here at a price of about 0.037. This is exactly what happened, and as you can see, we got tons of buyers right over here supporting this level, which is really good to see. As of right now, KASPA is trading between these two channels right over here, and it's only in time, but we are going to be witnessing a breakout towards the upside, and as soon as we break towards the upside, that is going to be marking the start of the fifth and final wave towards the upside in this massive Elliott wave structure move. I believe this is the most likely scenario KASPA will be running into. However, only time is going to be telling us how the markets are going to be really playing out. As for my targets for KASPA for this fifth and final wave, I do expect that from the current price points, KASPA has the potential to basically pump almost about 145%, which will take the price of KASPA to about 0.10. Now guys, keep in note that as of this moment, KASPA is not listed on the majority of the exchanges out there, but once KASPA gets listed to the tier 1 exchanges out there, a lot of money is going to be flowing into KASPA, raising its overall market price and raising its overall market cap as well. Now, as for the drop towards the downside, this was pretty easy to predict, and in my trade signal group as well, I had taken this short position, which I had explained to you all as well. Now let me tell you why that move towards the downside was a really good possibility. So guys, if we check out the price for KASPA, you will be able to see that we formed higher highs right over here. However guys, if we compare these levels to the RSI, you can see that we basically formed a lower high structure right over here. Now whenever this sort of structure happens, that basically means that we are forming a bearish divergence, and whenever this happens, this oftentimes lead to a price towards the downside. This is exactly what happened, and if we calculate, you can see that KASPA dumped almost about 29% from its recent all-time highs. The most important resistance level for KASPA to break is going to be this recent high right over here at a price of about 0.052. I do believe this should be relatively easy for KASPA to break. It's only about a 30% move towards the upside. So I think this is a move which KASPA can make within like 1 or 2 days, which is really good to see. Now, yeah, guys, that's going to be pretty much it from this particular analysis for KASPA. I told you all my price targets for the future, and I also explained to you the structure which is basically forming in the KASPA charts as of this moment. Now, if you guys want similar analysis for yourself, and if you guys don't want to miss any of the trades which I take, sign up for my trade channel group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, right over here, I want to show you 3 more trades where we closed profits of roughly about 300%, 200%, and 154% on these trades respectively. Once you join my group, you guys are also going to be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto markets and are making some huge money from the space as well. So sign up for my trade channel group as soon as possible. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Peace out.